Hello everyone. For open a PDF in Google Docs, first step, open your Google Drive and click on New. From this menu, click on File Upload and from your computer, select your PDF file and click on Open. After your PDF file upload, refresh the page and on that PDF file you upload, right click on it and from Open with, click on Google Docs. Now wait your PDF convert to Google Docs. As you see, your PDF file convert to Google Docs document and now is editable, which means you can edit your file and delete any part or add a new content and save as your a new document in Google Docs. I hope this video was useful for you. For more video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.